Here it is.
Oh,
yes!
What a catch.
I told you he was going to hit the phone. Told you, man. Told you. You got it on videotape, right?
Yes! The man! Yeah!
That's going to be awesome.
The man, did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? Ass! We gotta go eat after. It's gonna be great. Oh!
Derek! He's out! Oh!
Where am I getting a tree?
He was so out!
He's out! My voice cracked.
He was gone!
I wish I had that to argue. Things are just like moving too fast.
You got a good angle, man.
Things are like moving too fast. I almost had that play.
He was so out.
He was out. This is filth, man.